Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv. And again, guys, do not get annoyed by this. We are going to be leaving AI and AI agents in our day-to-day lives. Therefore, this is the time to actually start paying attention to stay abreast with latest information coming from this niche industry, artificial intelligence, both in Web3 or cryptocurrency and blockchain as we are, as well as in traditional industries, because they are investing a lot of money. If you have been paying attention, you know that Donald Trump has been seeking private investment into AI projects within the US. And at the moment, I think between Openai, Oracle, Facebook or Meta and SoftBank, the Japanese bank, they've pledged about $500 billion of investment. I know Openai, they are looking for trillions, okay? We are not going to go there. This is for a new project. I think it's called Stargate or something of that sort. That is the name of this new project or business entity. So AI and AI agents is going to be huge. For those who are using ChatGPT, you know Openai have got a new platform called Openai Operator or something of that nature. I haven't played around with it. I do have a subscription to ChatGPT. That is part of our tools that we use for research. So we will be trialing out the operator if it's available in our jurisdiction and see whether it will add value to what we do as a business and as a project. So when we are covering AI and AI agents, we are just trying to stay abreast because information is coming in at a rapid pace and you cannot stay out of the loop, because if you do, the next time you want to stay abreast with this information, it will be a steep learning curve. So please bear with us. So today in this video, we are going to be evaluating the impact of AI or artificial intelligence and AI agents on traditional industries as well as Web3 based industries. But before we jump into this video, guys, please note that what we are going to share with you in this video are just my opinions. They are not facts. If you want facts, do your own research. We'll leave some links for you guys to do your own research, but there is plenty of information on the internet as well as here on YouTube and on Twitter and other sources. So go do your own research, and if you do indeed are interested in anything AI, then base your decision on the information you have. Try and form a rounded picture. So as you can tell, we are continuing with the narrative of artificial intelligence in this video, and we are going to be evaluating the impact of AI and AI agents on traditional industries and our own industry, AI. And this is not just some generic stuff you hear from a distance. You need to stay on top of AI and see what's happening, whether you want to be a developer or builder within this space, or you just want to secure your own future, because some of it might involve, if you are in a job, it might involve you maybe pivoting to another job or using AI to enhance your job, because some jobs are going to disappear certainly because of AI, and some of the industries are going to be wiped off the face of the earth. That's just a fact. It's coming. Anyway, let's jump back into our evaluation then of the impact of AI and AI agents. So the rapid advancements of artificial intelligence and AI agents is poised to significantly disrupt various traditional industries as well as Web3 industries, while also offering substantial benefit to others. From a blockchain and cryptocurrency perspective, certain networks and projects tend to gain from this evolution. Envisioning a future where AI is deeply integrated into daily lives provides an insight into the transformative potential of these technologies. Let's start with industries likely to be most disrupted by AI. I'm not going to just come up with some statements here to grab headlines. I want to be pragmatic. We'll start with industries that are most likely going to be affected first from our own point of view. Again, this is not a full list. There might be others, but if you're in manufacturing, AI-driven automation is set to revolutionize manufacturing processes, leading to increased efficiencies and reduced labor costs. What that means is just less employment for people, for humans, and more of automated systems and robotics. Tasks previously handled by humans, especially repetitive and precision-based roles, are increasingly being managed by AI-powered robots. A robot could be a humanoid, something that looks like a human, or just some hardware that is good software, or it can just be software, okay? That is also a robot. This shift may result in significant workforce reductions in certain areas. The next industry to be impacted by AI or disrupted by AI is transportation and logistics. Now, the emergence of autonomous vehicles might seem like a pie in the sky, but we know it's happening already with Tesla, because some of the videos we see on Tesla, quite amazing, aren't they? Self-driving cars. So the emergence of autonomous vehicles and AI-optimized logistics systems is transforming transportation. Self-driving technology and AI-driven route optimization can enhance efficiency and safety, potentially reducing the demand for human drivers. So again, straight away you can tell transportation, human drivers, less demand. People who drive taxis or cabs, as we call them here in the UK, they're at risk. So what do? You probably want to own 1 or 2 self-driving cars, automobiles, if you live in other parts of the world. That way you become an entrepreneur. You are no longer the actual driver because the car drives itself. Together, taxis, cabs in danger, and as well as trucks. Okay, so if you want to win, say you are in the haulage business, you probably want to be involved in the actual provision of the trucks that are doing that, because some companies, if it's a manufacturing company buying something from a supplier, the supplier might not be one to be involved in transportation, and the customer as well might not be one to get involved into transportation. So a middleman is required, but there is no human there. The supplier or the customer will book the truck, send it to the collection point or loading point, and then enter the details for delivery, and the truck will just turn up. That is not far off, guys. It's not far off. It's coming. Okay, customer service. This was already starting. So you're probably looking at countries that have been benefiting from outsourced customer service functions like India and other parts of Asia. That may start coming down. Companies might start, spending less in terms of customer service, because now you got AI that people can chat with a bot online via text, but now you also got AI generating humans, not humans as such, but like an avatar that can speak. Okay, in 3D it can speak like a human, and in most cases you can't tell the difference. So that is coming, and they will have all the information at their fingertips. Whereas a human might say, I've forgotten, or I need to go and ask my boss. AI will have everything on it, and it will just give you as it is. Of course, human intervention will be required, but that is at a higher level now. It's no longer Jane answering the phone or Kathy giving information on customer returns and stuff like that. No, everything will be automated, and it will be AI dealing with that. So AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are increasingly handling customer inquiries, providing rapid and efficient responses. This development could lead to a decrease in demand for human customer service representatives. I suppose it's where we are today. Because sometimes when you call, especially certain government agencies, you call them, you're on the phone for many hours just waiting on standby, or several minutes, because the service provider have removed all the options that you used to get from a human being. These automated telephone systems, they are just doing a disservice. If AI can master that, then customer service and all these useless models for local authorities and probably some central government as well, they will probably disappear from the face of the planet. So this development could lead to a decrease in demand for human customer service representatives. Unfortunately, it's also one, I don't know, maybe in other countries it's different, but across Europe, customer service is relatively less paid than other roles within industry. So if AI is coming to take this away from people as well, it's going to make things a lot tougher for a lot of these people, unfortunately, but it can't be helped. It's where things are. So what about industries likely to benefit the most from AI? Well, you got healthcare. AI is enhancing diagnostic accuracy through advanced imaging analysis and predictive analysis, leading to improved patient outcomes. Yes, it's benefiting, but certain types of consultants who are paid huge sums of money annually, they are going to probably find themselves with limited roles or being paid less, because AI will be doing most of the consulting. Additionally, AI assists in drug discovery by analyzing vast data sets to identify potential therapeutic compounds. The next industry to benefit from AI will be finance. AI algorithms are optimizing trading strategies, risk assessment, and fraud detection. By analyzing large data sets in real time, AI provides insights that enhances decision-making processes in financial services. The third industry that is going to benefit from AI is most likely going to be agriculture. AI applications in agriculture include predictive analytics for crop yields, automated harvesting, and soil health monitoring. These technologies contribute to increased efficiency and sustainability in farming practices. Now, blockchain networks types, we are not going to go for specifics, but types and crypto projects types likely to benefit from AI integration. The first one will be decentralized platforms that allow developers to monetize their algorithms, fostering a collaborative AI ecosystem. What comes to mind? You got Virtual's protocol. Yep, that will benefit most likely. There is a small project that we're following at the moment called The Launch that might benefit as well. Got Near that might also benefit. Just as examples, you also have, now I think it's 3 projects rolled into one, but used to have ticker symbol is AGIX. And now moving on to infrastructure for the creation of autonomous economic agents. That's another type of blockchain or cryptocurrency to benefit. Integrating AI with blockchain technology enables secure and efficient operations across various industries. The third type is decentralized data exchange protocol. These protocols will utilize AI to facilitate secure and transparent data sharing. They will also allow individuals and businesses to monetize their data while maintaining control over over their privacy. So if you're looking for areas to maybe invest in, if you were myself, if you were me, I'll be looking at projects that are involved in these three different categories of blockchain networks or crypto projects. That's where things will be heading next. You do you. I'm just giving you some pointers here. So let's try and envision a future with mature AI integration for a minute, because it's always a common fallacy, to say, oh, this is coming, this is this, this is that. But if you actually stood back and try and envision a future that encompasses the technology you're trying to share with people, teach people about, or sell to people in some cases. I'm not selling you anything, but some people will be trying to sell you that. Developers, for example, they develop so that they can sell it to people. Well, as AIs and AI agents mature, they are expected to become seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. That's not a debatable issue as well. That's a given. So you're looking at personalized services here. AI agents could manage personal schedules, provide tailored content recommendations, and handle routine tasks, thereby enhancing individual productivity and convenience. I was just browsing on X, formerly Twitter, and I came across some Twitter posts. I can't remember. I'll leave it on the screen if I can. If I can't find it, I can find it. And this guy was basically saying they've used artificial intelligence, can't recall exactly which one, but they've used artificial intelligence to book a flight based on their budget, to book a weekend away based on their budget and liking. They've also managed to find some health hack using artificial intelligence. It was doing this autonomously without their knowing, or it was doing just saying, recommending things or presenting. I've done X, yes, your ticket, booked a ticket from Switzerland to some other place, I can't recall where. But this person was basically sharing what happened was they were doing something else. AI just came on, did a thing. I don't know whether it was the Openai operator, this new version of ChatGPT, the expensive one. I think they are trying to charge people $200 per month for that. Yeah, I suppose it's cheap, because where can you get a personal assistant who can do all those things for you for $200? I can't see that. So $200 is cheap, but we are not going to be using this just for that. We are going to be using artificial intelligence for all sorts of things. So maybe, I don't know whether it is good pricing for that product or not, but as soon as more products come on board with more options, maybe the economic rent will reduce and the price will come down. Anyway, moving on to smart infrastructure, where cities may implement AI to optimize traffic flow, manage energy consumption, and enhance public safety through predictive analytics. Well, I always complain because it was before the age of AI, the so-called smart traffic lights. Sometimes they just don't work, or they do it on purpose. They annoy the heck out of you. They are always going against your flow. By flow, I mean you're going in one direction, they are always favoring the other. I'm thinking, what's going on? It's always like that with me. It's very rare that you go from traffic light to traffic light and everything is just working to your advantage. There is my rant on driving conditions from time to time. I hate driving in traffic. Anyway, moving on, we can also envision a future where healthcare is advanced through AI. AI could enable real-time health monitoring through wearable devices, providing early detection of potential health issues and personalized treatment plans. Because trying to do it with human-managed systems that are centralized, it's always a nightmare, isn't it? You also run into a skills gap where people who were trained in healthcare, you cannot expect them to be well-versed in technology, where technology is required from time to time. What about financial management, where personal AI financial advisors might offer real-time investment advice, budget management, and fraud detection, leading to more informed financial decisions? I'm sure the people who've been sitting these financial advisor exams, I think in the US they're called CPAs, in the UK we just call them financial advisors. Yeah, I don't think there will be fans of this, but hey, industries are going to be disrupted. The financial industry is going to benefit, but at a cost, human cost. So in this envisioned future of mine, the synergy between AI and blockchain technology could ensure that AI systems operate transparently and securely, with decentralized networks providing the infrastructure for AI agents to interact and transact autonomously. This integration promises a future where technology enhances efficiency, personalization, and security across various aspects of our daily life. Yeah, bear in mind that I'm not talking of the gimmicks we are seeing in crypto at the moment. We've got so many AI agents that do absolutely nothing. They just got a token, but they don't deliver on the product front. Anyway, guys, what do you think about the impact of AI and artificial intelligence to traditional industries, and at what cost, as well as Web3-based businesses and industries, and at what cost? Let me know in the comment section any AI projects within traditional industry or within Web3 that has caught your eye. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Until the next one, this is FD for SagePath.tv signing out for now. Bye.